Home HVAC Services provides fast, reliable emergency HVAC services in Westchester, PA, ensuring your heating and cooling systems are restored when you need them most. Our experienced technicians are available around the clock to diagnose issues, perform urgent repairs, and keep your home comfortable in any situation. If you have any questions, contact our emergency HVAC service team. Are you looking for an emergency HVAC service near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What is considered an HVAC emergency? An HVAC emergency includes situations like complete system failure during extreme temperatures, gas leaks, burning smells, electrical issues, or no heating in winter and no cooling in summer. How quickly can emergency HVAC technicians respond? Most emergency HVAC services offer 24/7 support and aim to respond within a few hours, depending on your location and the severity of the issue. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our emergency HVAC service have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania emergency HVAC service office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.